This is PowAir's Enzymatic Trio, made up of natural plant-based active ingredients that really work. These three bestsellers use an enzymatic formula to eliminate stain and odour molecules directly from their source. This is possible as the PowAir molecules bond with odour molecules and render them null and inert. This permanently eliminates both the bad odour and the smell of PowAir. We'd recommend using PowAir Urine and Odour to eliminate urine, faeces and vomit smells, PowAir Penetrator for perspiration, grease and mildew odours, and PowAir Sport for sweat odours and stains. For best results, be sure to shake well before use. Before spraying on the affected area, make sure to remove any excess odour-causing liquid material. For optimal performance, use the direct spray mode. This can be located on the end of the spray nozzle. When spraying the product, fully saturate both on and around the affected area. After that, let the product sit for 30 minutes before blotting away any excess product. Let the rest dry naturally and the PowAir scent will fade over time. And once your 464ml spray runs out, don't forget to purchase our 922ml refill bottles to help prevent plastic waste and for improved cost effectiveness, of course. PowAir's enzymatic products have become a saving grace for customers up and down the country. PowAir's Enzymatic Trio, now available at powair.co.uk.